Here you are, guys. Here's this traffic light for Pan Borneo, temporary crossing for the construction lorry to pass through this main highway. This is night time, there's nobody working, and the lights is changing from green to red, green to red. Luckily there's not enough, there aren't many traffic moving at night, but daytime it does this sort of rubbish. Come on now, what's going on with these people? Can they do things properly? Azam contractor or who? How do you prepare all this traffic light? Let's wait for one car that gets trapped with an unnecessary red light. They should simply turn it off at night. Nobody's using, no lorry is walking at night, no lorry is crossing the highway at night. And yet you have this light, green going to red, green going to red. Here we go. Luckily there's no more traffic passing. This red light for what? Nobody's crossing. There's no lorry using this road. There's no lorry crossing that track over this 4-lane highway. And yet the light is red, then it goes green again. Come on. There's some idiot walking in this country. Let's wait for some traffic that gets caught in the traffic in the red light. There he goes red again, and there's traffic behind. Come on, the guys have to slow. He has to stop. My God, stop for what? The guy has to stop for what? There's no lorry crossing. Stupid. Oh, those guys have to stop for the red light there. You're stopping for what? There's a ghost passing by. There you go. Oh my God. Those bunch of lorries has to stop for nothing. You're not stupid. It's red and there's a car there behind me. They have to stop for the red light to let the hantu or poor motorcycle. Is he stopping? Yeah, he stopped to let the hantu pass by. Oh, he snook a U-turn.